Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about a scroll saw and 3 ways to use it. Now, a scroll saw is a tabletop tool, and it basically mimics the uses of a jigsaw, but gives you much more precision. Like a jigsaw, you can make straight cuts with a scroll saw. You want to allow the blade to do the cutting. This is a tool that's going to give you very precise cuts. With a nice thin blade, it's also terrific for cutting circles or very tight curves on the pieces of wood that you're working with. By adjusting the fence based on the thickness of the material, you can get those very, very clean cuts. And the table on this tool also articulates, and you can cut on an angle up to a 45-degree angle. So whether you're building a pine wood derby car or working on some beautiful project like a dollhouse or just about any woodworking where you need precision cutting, a scroll saw can do the trick. Coming up next, my video on the difference between a bandsaw and a scroll saw.